Welcome back, life travelers, to another video by Ricardos Travels.
All that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
Okay, guys. In my last video, I paired up the Jackery Explorer 500 with a solar charge, the DOKIO SSFP 320 watt that I shared with everybody on Cyber Week. Instead of using the Jackery 100 watt solar panel, I tried this off-brand, and if you haven't seen that video, click up at the top right of your screen, the little info card, and you can check that video out to see the results of that. I ran all through that about the Jackery, how to hook it up, the connectors, how long it took to charge off solar on a very heavy overcast day in freezing temperatures or just above freezing temperatures, with hardly a break of clouds all day long. We went from 9:40 in the morning, I believe it was, up till about 5:40 in the evening. I tested the panels for their waterproofness. I actually poured heavy water all across them while I was charging. And I'll just give you a sneak peek. The DOKIO beat the Jackery as far as how much could be charged in a overcast day. So check out that video. You'll see why I'm saying that and everything that I did. But this video, we're going to test the Jackery Explorer 500 the way it should charge the fastest, and that's off a 110 volt AC port or plug, just like in your home. And I'm hoping we're going to get somewhere around 5-6 hours. I've heard everything from 8 to 12 hours, depending on how low you go with it. I think that 8 to 12 hours is usually when folks take it down to, to zero. I'm not sure why they would do that, because that's not a good idea. You don't want to take batteries all the way down to zero. Even lithiums. They say you can, but it's not a good idea. You can increase the life of them by not doing that and reduce the amount of time it takes to charge back up to 100%. So I don't plan to ever take mine down below the 30%, 20% mark. There's a lot of people that don't even take it below 50 because they're used to, AGMs and lead acid batteries. They're just so used to not letting it get below the 50% that even they get lithiums, they're still doing the same thing, which isn't a bad idea. That means they cut their time in half it takes to charge it back up. So if you've got 2 or 3 batteries, in 3 or 4 hours each day, you can charge back up without any problem. So that's not a bad idea. I've only got 2 to rotate out each day. So I'll use one day, and then the next day I'll charge that one and I'll use my second one. So I've got to be able to charge the first one in one day, whether it's solar or off 110 volt AC. And I've already proven with my solar setup, and that's a portable solar setup, by the way, that DOKIO, I can charge in one day with heavy overcast in the wintertime. So I'm set up for that. Now we're going to test the 110 volt AC. So grab some coffee, some tea, some adult beverage, and let's see real quick just how fast we can charge off the 110 volt AC. Okay, so we're at, let's see, 22%. Can you see that? on the Jackery, so we're going to plug it in. But I did want to show you here, this plug, you can see it sticking out a little bit there. Let me do an overhead shot, maybe that will, see, it looks like it sticks out a little bit there. That's as far as it goes in. So, plug it in, start our timer. So it's plugged in, 5 seconds going. Let's see how long this takes to charge all the way up. Coming up on 1 hour. We're now up to 35%. Okay, so we just passed the 3-hour mark. I skipped the second hour. So we're at the 3 hours, 9 minutes, and 37 seconds. And we're at 64%. Okay, so we just passed the 4-hour mark. 4 hours, 1 minute, and 51 seconds. And we're at 75%. Okay, so we're at 5 hours, 14 minutes, and 5 seconds. And we're at 90%. Okay. We're at 6 hours and 21 minutes, but I've got to say I stepped away and got busy. It could have been as early as 6 hours and 15 minutes. Or somewhere between 6 hours and 6 hours and 20 minutes. But we are 100% right now. So around 6 hours to go from 20, I'll have to go back and look at it. What was it? 20% I think it was. To get to 100% on this brand new Jackery Explorer 500. You can see I haven't even pulled off the stickers and stuff yet, because it actually says in their warranty you're supposed to charge these up to 100%. I'll roll it in on text, on a message on the screen, but it's something like within a week or within 3 days or something like that. They say you need to charge it up because it will keep the record. And then every 3 months, I think, you have to charge it to 100%. And if you don't, that voids the warranty. So that's an important point right there. I didn't know that until I got this one, started looking at the paperwork. Anyway, so our test has showed us it's taken right around 6 hours to charge to 100%. If you have one of these Jackeries and your experience differs, please comment, let us know. Or if it's the same, let us know. And as well as if you have solar panels or you charge from the car, let us know how long it's taken you in the comments. But I want to thank everybody for joining me today. And take a minute to like and share and subscribe if you haven't. And as always, may everyone have safe and happy travels wherever life leads you.
All I want is for you to be happy. Give me chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way